Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds. Now just tap here to open the app, click yes I agree, pick to close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here the information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 30. Also we can find here more info like the battery health, level, capacity, device, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.